Hello friends. Hello friends. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be sharing my recent haul with you. That is Nykaa summer sale or Nykaa super saver summer sale, something like that. So I'll share with you whatever I've got. I've got not a lot of things, but things that really I needed. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Okay, first thing I got from that Nykaa Super Saver summer sale thing was this shampoo. This one, Schwarzkopf shampoo. This is sulfate-free shampoo. Now the thing is, this was not my first choice. I normally use Schwarzkopf peptide repair shampoo because my hair was severely damaged. So I was using that, but it was stock out. So I thought now my hair is not that much damaged. So let me try this one. This is sulfate free, same from my micellar genre. Okay, and it was like priced at 900. They were giving like 20% off. So I got 20% off on this one, and there is a freebie which is really nice. This one, this is their hyaluronic moisture cake, and now I've heard a lot of good things about this one, and I used it also today. After using this one, you'll get a completely untangled, tangle free hair. So that's a great thing about this one. I may repurchase it after maybe uh, once it is over, or it is nearing to over. So I got these two as a hair care product. Now I have got more hair care product to show you guys. Next I have got that is like my repurchase. This is the Spruce hair oil. Now this is let me tell you, I'll give you guys a entire review on this one because I am so impressed with this one. I have heard about it from my very near and dear friend. So this is Spruce red onion hair oil. This one was, I think, at 35% off. So I got this one, and I am using this spruce oil. This is a sealed pack. Just now I got this one. I have the one I am using right now. I still have some left, but I thought I need it, so why not get it right now when I'm getting it on discount, right, guys? So next thing I got, again, it's a repurchase. I cannot say that this is a complete repurchase kind of a thing because Simple Moisturizer, I am a big fan of Simple Moisturizer. I use the for which that one that is for sensitive skin, hydrating moisturizer. It's also light one, so I use that one, but it was stock out again, so I had to grab this one. This is like protecting light moisturizer. It is also light moisturizer kind to skin, same thing, just it has got UV 15 sorry, SPF 15, which is a good thing, I guess, because normally what happens is I use Simple Moisturizer during my day time skincare regime. During my night skincare regime, I use a little thicker, like Bioderma or maybe Cetaphil, which has a thicker consistency. This has a very light, non-sticky kind of consistency. And if you want a moisturizer, good moisturizer, you can definitely go ahead and get this one. If not this one, if you can get the hydrating one, then definitely that one, that is very good for sensitive skin. I just got this one because that was not on stock. Okay, so this is my next buy. Also, I got like 35% off on this one as well. Next thing that I got, and I got great deal on this one. This is BBlunt hair color, just hair color, normal hair color that you need for your hair. This is chocolate dark brown. Now the thing is, I like their BBlunt का जो hair color है, I really like that one. Now I got, they were giving like offers. You will get this is retails at 199, and if you buy one you will get 159, and if you buy two of the same color, same color, then you will get it at 119, which is a great discount. I think it is 40% or so off. So I grabbed this same one in the same variant, and I got 40% off. So it's a great deal, I guess. Okay, so now the last but not the least, not the least at all, that is the star of my purchase this time. And that is why I'm here today. I'm sharing with you people. You must be wondering about my eye makeup. I don't know whether you are wondering or not, but I would like to tell you today I have done my eye makeup with the help of this palette. Now, guys, guess. This is okay. Let me show you. I think there was some reflection or things like that. Okay, let me open it and show you guys. I think already you know. This is I'm very excited about it, so that is why I'm taking so much time to tell you guys. This is Huda Beauty Mercury retrograde palette. So I was waiting for this one for a long time. One thing about me, I don't really buy anything that is not on sale. And if I get something that I want that is on sale, so I just don't waste any time. I just go and grab it. So I was thinking of this palette. I was thinking about this palette for a long time. Just look at these colors. They're so pretty. They're so pretty. They're so pretty. Oh God. And they, all the colors individually, they have got their names and everything. And really, I will show you the swatches as well. They have got a big mirror. I'm not showing you the mirror, then you will get the whatever, behind the camera, you will get to see that. So I'm not showing you the mirror. So it looks like this, and it looks so pretty. Outside, inside, both the colors are so nice. I already have, okay, let me tell you, I have got 30% off on this one. Then the next day, they were giving like 50% off on some flash sale. But it's okay, it's okay. I got it on 30%, so not complaining. So I got this one on 30% off. It was priced at around 5,375 rupees. I got this one on, I think, 3,700 something, 3,700 something. So I think it's a great deal that I got. Now, let me tell you guys, I already have Huda. I'm a big Huda eyeshadow palette fan. Who is not? I don't know. I have got their rose gold remastered one, and I have got the gemstone, the nine colors one. Okay, so both of them I got on discount from Nykaa. Rose gold remastered I got on 50% off, and the gemstone one I got on 40% off. This one I got on 30% off. So I'll just show you the swatches of this one, or I'll just have a give you guys a look of this one, and I will talk about this palette on a entirely another video. Okay, so if you like my video, so don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and please do subscribe to my channel. It's completely free. So I'll see you next time. Till then take care. Bye bye.